Hello, everybody. I'm going to show you how to make a simple prop for Smut mods. We've got our SmutLabs packages already installed, project already set up. And what we're going to make sure that we do is create a new folder. Simple prop. Go into that folder. I'm going to right click in the hierarchy over here to the left, come down to the SmutLabs menu, prop, new. This has created a template with some base components added to make it a bit easier to make a new prop rather than having to assemble it all yourself. And you'll see that it just creates a new hierarchy right here with model, anchors, markers, runtime, subcomponents, and that's just for organizational sake. And if you click on new prop, you'll see that there's um, different settings over here. Local ID, display name, that's probably going to go away, but we got grab settings that we'll be able to tinker with that changes how these things will be able to be grabbed. Box collider, that will be what we grab as a overlap detection system. If you grab and you're grabbing within this box, it will grab the prop. If you're grabbing and it does not grab this box, then the prop is not grabbed. And we can edit this box. And what we're going to do is just make some random bullshit. And let's just see here, 3D object. Let's add a cube. Let's get a little wonky with it. Maybe add something else as well. And now let's say we want to turn this into some sort of, proper grabbable collision. What we do, instead of just moving this around, because I move the whole thing around, we're going to come over here to the box collider, and we're just going to edit it here. It's a little bit more klutzy, but I suggest doing it this way. And we're just going to edit the size to be roughly what we are expecting. It doesn't have to be perfect for the most part. What I'm just going to do, just for demonstration purposes, is just and then you can move it to the sides by moving in the center. And then there's our grab collision. And you can do whatever you want, textures, materials with these things. Once you're done, you have to make sure that we want to grab that top level game object, bring it down and create a prefab, and then just go back in and either delete our prop in the hierarchy because we only want to work on the prefab in the blue screen. We can always drag our prefab back into a scene, make edits in here, whatever. But remember, if you make an edit right here where you're in a scene editing a prefab, the change will not reflect on the exportable, which is down here. So whenever you're going to do something that you're going to want and you're changing it, make sure you're doing it in this prefab view where the background is blue. Now we're just going to go ahead and call that simple prop. And we're going to go to SmutLabs. Right there, SmutLabs Content Wizard. I'm going to dock that over here. Create new from the drop down. Select prop. We're just going to call this simple prop. Create it. Always save in the default location. Since we do need to have some sort of icon, I guess we will just bring it in here. Capture icon, simple prop, prefab, prefab. Now we're just going to go ahead and export this. I'm just probably going to go ahead and put it right there. Just export. And just like that, it's as simple as that.